Well, this is a pretty random video, but as you just heard, I'm dealing with hiccups right now. and, and I've heard from my mom and my sister time and time again. I sound like I'm stepping on bullfrogs. Sometimes they're uncontrollable. Sometimes they just happen. The other times it happens because I either eat too fast or drink too fast. It's been a long time since I last had a hiccuping fit like this. Whoa! That didn't work. Oh, no. That didn't work. I guess I'll have to try drinking some water. Whew. I'm trying not to laugh. Whew. Man, it worked. Drinking water worked. Whew. Well, now you've seen how I sound whenever I have hiccups.